This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we're trying out a new mount for the GoPro 7 Black. So we'll take a look at some clips from this. I'm going to try different positions on the car. Just trying to bring a new level to the entire YouTube channel. So let's check it out. Let's try this out and see how this looks. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.